Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background image behind the header of Wix. So let's get started. So right now, we just need to head over to our Wix website dashboard and head over to the home and click on Edit Site. Once we have done that, we'll be able to see the Wix website editor right here. Now from in there, just select the header. Then from in there, click on this plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. Now from in there, you should be able to see the strip. So just click on strip right here, and then just select the kind of strip that you want to add. So for this one, I'll just add this one right here since this already has an image. So let's drag and drop this on the header. So right now it's been attached to the header, so you can adjust it however we want. You can also resize it if you want it to be resized just like that. And then we also have the option to change it. To change it, just right click and then click on change background. And then from in there, you should be able to see the option for image. So click on image right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this Wix gallery. So just search for the image that you want to add. So for example, just search in here for mom, since there's a mom website. So for this one, I'll just choose this and then click on change background. And then as you can see, it will be changed into this one. So just close that, and then as you can see, it will be added to our header. You can also just resize it or just show this like this one. And then as you can see, it will be attached to the header of our site. So just publish the site that you want. So let's start to publish it. And now once it's been published, let's view the site that we have created. Then once you have done that, as you can see, the header has some picture attached on the background. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add background image behind the Wix header. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.